Want to uncover 3 easy hidden weight loss secrets that the health gurus don't want you to know? These revolutionary science-backed tips easily integrate into your current workouts and melt away that stubborn fat faster than ever before. You need to know these game-changing methods. They will 100% revolutionize your weight loss journey for rapid, long-lasting results. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 hidden weight loss workout secrets that the gurus keep for themselves and show you how to do it for yourself. Whether you're bored with your current plan or stuck at a plateau, these 3 unconventional exercises and strategic habits will push your weight loss to new heights. Ready to uncover the secrets to maximizing your fat-burning potential and achieving your fitness goals in record time? Let's get into it. First up, we've got the secret weapon of pro athletes, RPE, or Ratings of Perceived Exertion. RPE is a scale from 1 to 10 that measures how hard you feel you're working during exercise. A 1 means you're barely putting in any effort, and a 10 means you're giving it your all. Think of it as your personal workout GPS, helping you gauge effort on a scale from 1 to 10. RPE is crucial because it tailors your training to match your energy levels, ensuring you push just hard enough to burn fat without pushing too hard to the point where you're simply just burning out. First, start with a baseline measurement. Begin your workout by performing an exercise at a moderate intensity and rate your effort on the RPE scale from 1 to 10. This helps you understand what your standard baseline exertion rating is. Then, adjust your intensity. For example, if you rated your baseline effort at an RPE of 6, try increasing the intensity of your next set so that your RPE feels like an 8 or 9. This feeling is the perfect level for high-intensity workouts. Remember to listen to your body. On days when you feel more fatigued, aim for an RPE of 5 to 6 to avoid burnout while still getting the good results. Next, let's talk about training velocity. Training velocity refers to how quickly or slowly you perform each repetition of an exercise. Faster reps increase the intensity and calorie burn, while slower reps improve muscle building and strength. By adjusting your speed, you can find the perfect balance to maximize fat loss and build muscle at the same time. Research shows that hitting the sweet spot in velocity training can make a huge difference in fat loss and metabolic rate. Use training velocity to know when to end your sets. For example, when you start a set, you will be able to complete each rep at a faster pace. Once you notice that the speed of your reps has slowed down to below 50% of your starting speed, this is a good indicator that you should end your set there. Remember to track your progress. Note how long it takes you to complete each set. As you improve, you should be able to maintain the same speed with increased resistance or more reps. Now, here's the third and most surprising secret: partial reps. Partial reps involve performing an exercise through only part of its full range of motion. For example, if you're doing a bicep curl, you might only lift the weight halfway up. This technique targets different parts of the muscle and can lead to increased strength and endurance. It's a great way to break through plateaus and add variety to your routine. By focusing on a limited range of motion, you can target muscle fibers that often get overlooked, increasing overall calorie burn and muscle activation. Especially when you use partial reps as a superset, the tension and muscle activation are off the charts. Plus, partial reps let you lift heavier and increase volume without overdoing it. Choose exercises where partial reps can be most effective, like squats, bicep curls, and bench presses. Add them to your routine. Start with full-range reps, then add a set of partial reps at the end of your workout to fully exhaust the muscle. Use it with progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight or the number of partial reps over time to continuously challenge your muscles and boost your calorie burn. So there you have it: RPE, training velocity, and partial reps. These are not just tips, they're game changers for anyone serious about weight loss and fitness. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you're setting yourself up for unparalleled progress. Remember, it's all about training smarter, not just harder. Consistency, dedication, and these next-level techniques will help you unlock your full potential. If these tips blew your mind, make sure to smash that like button, Share this video with your fitness buddies and subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking weight loss insights. Your support means the world to us, and together, we'll keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember, progression is the path to perfection. Now get out there and be your own hero.